Alright, we got another package. Alright, let's see what we got. A box within a box. I just hit myself in the face with the box. This is a really cool box. Alright, let's open this up. They didn't write my name on it. Got some glasses. I'm kind of bummed this is just in a plastic bag. I feel like they didn't need the plastic bag, but focus. There you go. Got the glasses. Beanie. My head's pretty big. I'm not sure if this will fit. And then, oh, wait, this is actually cool. It's like a, what are these called? It's a crew neck sweater, and then with the Instagram logo. That's pretty cool. Let's try this on. Ooh, this is so comfortable. And it's a champion. I think this is Champions, right? Nice. I can't stand up too much because I'm not wearing pants. I got my boxers on, but you don't know that. This is how I am on my Zoom classes. You just see the upper half, and then I'm just like not wearing pants, you know? But dang, this is like, feels like a blanket is on me. How's it look? Chilling. Boom. Maybe I'll throw on pants and like do a fashion show a little bit, you know? All right, here's the fit. Just like pose. How's it look? Not bad, huh? I think it fits pretty well. Like how'd they know my size? Just kidding, they asked me probably at some point. Got the rep logo. Whew, pretty good. It's kind of hot right now. Oh. Hi, I'm Bryce, and welcome to my ASMR video. We're doing an unboxing. I think overall this fits pretty good. This is my chair. Look at this chair. It doesn't slide on carpet, guys. Oh. All right. So, I've been an Instagram ambassador for a couple years now, but I'm about to graduate from it, which is super sad. I really enjoyed being a part of the program. I met so many different people, so many new friends who I'll continue to be in contact with, and I was just given lots of different opportunities that I'm very blessed to have been able to get that. So I can't really go into too much detail about what it means to be an Instagram ambassador, but like a basic summary was that as an ambassador, I partnered with Instagram's marketing team and kind of helped shape the future of Instagram, the brand and the product. And I got to share my perspectives with them, and I got to test out some new features early before it was released to like the bigger community. So if you ever saw me like on my stories or things like that, kind of promoting certain new features, this is why. It was kind of, as an ambassador, that was kind of my job and stuff. This video isn't sponsored by them or anything, but overall, Instagram's just a great platform in my opinion. I use it to share something that I love doing, which is rock climbing, and in doing so and using that platform, I hope to inspire people. I hope to motivate people to chase after their dreams, because I totally believe you can, you know. And other than that, I just really like making people laugh, so I try to make funny posts or put funny captions or things like that, just to make it a little bit more relatable, you know. If you do want to check out my Instagram, this is the plug time. It's at 808BMA. But yeah, I have a lot of my climbing stuff on there if you want to see. Up to you. Same as if you leave a like in the video. If you don't like it, you can leave a thumbs down, but it only hurt my feelings a little bit. And then also subscribe. That's another thing that YouTubers say at the end of their videos. Subscribe if you want to see more of my videos. And comment down below your favorite pair of clothes. Like, describe your favorite pair of clothes. But yeah, keep up that unseen training. And always believe in the vision. Oh, this is kind of hot. It was probably like 80s today, and so it's like kind of warm. Do you guys like that transition? You want me to do it one more time? I don't want you to think I'm just trying to like show off my shirt, or like take off my shirt in camera, you know, so I'm gonna like lift it up, so you just do this, and then when you like take it off, then you're in some new clothes. Or you're just like, let me just wipe the screen. Transitions. Hey, you guys should check out these videos. I know if you're still watching, you should just click on one of these or subscribe right here. Or is it that corner? I don't know. Bye.